Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. Today our first video in YouTube. So we will discuss the here radical 81 is equal to 9. So how is possible we write radical 81 is equal to 9. So in this video we will discuss behind this question secret. So radical 81 we take left hand side radical 81. So here radical 81 we can write 9 multiply 9. So this is and this is both are same. So we write separate radical 9 multiply radical 9, and we also see radical means 1 upon 2, 1 over 2. So we can write 9 whole power 1 over 2 multiply 9 whole power 1 over 2. We can write, and we know when base is same the power is multiply. We know when base is same then power is add. When base is same then base is same in multiplication, then power is add up. 9 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. Okay, then we can 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, it means get 2 upon 2. So we can write 9 power 1 equal to 9. So we know this radical 81 is equal to 9. This is the secret behind this question. So after solving this all up to answer, we know how radical 81 is equal to 9. If you like this video, then subscribe our YouTube channel and share this video with your friend and press the bell icon button, and next video we will upload instantly.